of the funeral of Kalinin, who died in June, have only now been released in Britain. Kalinin, who rose from peasant boy to be president of the Supreme Council. Stalin and Molotov headed the mourners, and among foreign leaders who had come to Moscow for the obsequies were Marshal Tito and members of the Yugoslav mission. After the lying in state, the coffin was borne out by Stalin, Molotov, Malenkov, Kaganovich and Zhdanov, all members of the political bureau. Russia's millions mourned the passing of so outstanding a figure as Mikhail Ivanovich Kalinin, and the scene in Moscow as the cortege proceeded to the Red Square was impressive, to say the least. The funeral procession halted near Lenin's tomb, and an oration was pronounced by Kalinin's successor, Comrade Svernik. He spoke of Kalinin's life as a great example of an unselfish devotion to the people's cause, a symbol of toil for the noble ideals of the party of Lenin and Stalin. He concluded with a valediction to his dear friend and comrade. After the burial near the walls of the Kremlin, there were last salutes from the Red Army.